Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Old Navy credit card. Manage your card online step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your phone, tablet, or computer. Make sure you have a stable internet connection to avoid loading errors. In the address bar, type the official Old Navy credit card login site used by the card issuer, such as Barclays US, and press enter. On the page, look for the section that says Login, Sign in, or Card Number Login. Click the Login button to open the sign-in form. Find the field labeled Username and click inside it. Type your username exactly as you created it, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase. Move to the field labeled Password and click inside it. Type your password carefully and double-check for typing mistakes. If you are on a private device, you can choose Remember Me only if you feel it is safe. Click Sign In or Log In to access your account dashboard. If you see a security verification step, follow the instructions to receive a code by text, email, or authentication method. Enter the verification code in the required box and submit it to continue. Once logged in, locate the account summary area to view your current balance and available credit. Click Payments to make a one-time payment from your linked bank account. Choose the payment amount, such as minimum due, statement balance, or a custom amount. Select the payment date and confirm the bank account you want to use. Review the payment details and click Submit or Confirm to complete the payment. Go to Statements or Documents to download or view your monthly statements. Open transaction history to check recent purchases, returns, and posted payments. Use the Profile, Settings, or Account Services menu to update your email, phone number, or mailing address. If you want alerts, turn on notifications for payment due dates, posted payments, and large purchases. To manage autopay, find autopay or recurring payments and follow the setup instructions. If you forgot your username or password, click Forgot Username or Forgot Password on the login screen. Enter the requested details, such as last 4 digits of SSN, account number, or email, to verify your identity. Create a new password that is strong and unique, then save it in a secure place. If the site will not let you log in, clear your browser cache or try another browser and attempt again. If you are still blocked, call the customer service number shown on the back of your card for direct help. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.